In the name of Allah, most gracious and most merciful. Today I am here to deliver the lecture of 10th class chemistry. Chapter 10, Acid, Bases and Salts. Today's topic is Bronsted-Lowry concept. In 1923, the Danish chemist Bronsted and the English chemist Lowry independently presented their theories of acids and bases on the basis of proton transfer. In 1923, two scientists, Bronsted and Lowry, Danish chemist Bronsted and English chemist Lowry, both presented their theories about acids and bases with the help of proton transfer. Last day topic was Arrhenius concept of acid and base. Arrhenius presented his theory of acids and bases with the help of H positive and OH negative ion. And today in the topic Bronsted-Lowry concept, we will learn theories of acids and bases with the help of proton. An acid is a substance that can donate a proton to another substance. Donation of proton is known as acid. Base is a substance that can accept a proton from another substance. When a substance donates proton, that substance is known as acid, and the one substance accept proton, this substance is known as base. For example, HCl act as an acid while NH3 act as a base. How? Because HCl can donate proton and NH3 can accept proton. Now HCl plus NH3 reversible reaction, NH4 positive plus Cl negative. NH4 positive becomes by the exception of one proton and Cl negative ion becomes by the donation of one proton. Similarly, when HCl dissolves in water, HCl acts as an acid and H2O as a base. HCl acid and H2O base. HCl acid because it can donate proton and H2O is a base because it can accept proton. H3O positive is known as conjugate acid. It becomes by the exception of one proton by a base. When base accept proton, the newly formed substance is known as conjugate acid. And Cl negative ion is known as conjugate base. It is formed when an acid donates proton. Conjugate base is a species that is formed by donating a proton by an acid. When acid donates proton, the newly substance that is formed is known as conjugate base. It is a reversible reaction. In forward reaction, HCl and H2O reacts. Acid and base reacts. H2O is a base, it accepts proton, and HCl is an acid, it donates proton. While in reverse reaction, Cl negative ion is a base and H3O positive is a conjugate acid. Now definitions: conjugate acid and conjugate base. Conjugate acid is a species formed by accepting a proton by a base, and conjugate base is a species formed by donating a proton by an acid. More example: acetic acid and water. Acetic acid is an acid and H2O is base. CH3COOH can lose electron, can donate proton. Then CH3COO negative form. When acid donates proton, the newly formed substance is known as conjugate base. H2O is a base. When it accepts proton, H3O positive formed. When base accept proton, the newly formed substance is known as conjugate acid. According to Bronsted-Lowry concept, an acid and a base always work together to transfer proton. In a single reaction, when one species donates proton, then other species accept proton. That means the substance that can act as an acid only when another substance simultaneously behaves as an acid. Hence, a substance that can act as an acid as well as base depending upon the nature of other substance. For example, H2O act as a base when it reacts with HCl, and H2O act as an acid when it reacts with NH3. H2O plus NH3, H2O when it donates proton, this is known as acid, and newly formed substance is known as conjugate base. NH3 is a base because it can accept proton, and the newly formed substance by the exception of proton by a base is known as conjugate acid. Such a substance that can behave as an acid as well as a base is called amphoteric. Last paragraph is about limitation of Bronsted-Lowry concept. There are some limitations too are here. There are certain substances which behaves as an acid though they do not have the ability to donate a proton. For example, SO2. So this is limited. Secondly, CaO, calcium oxide, behaves as a base because it cannot accept a proton. Now keep in mind that all Arrhenius acids are Bronsted-Lowry acids, but except OH negative, OH hydroxide, other Bronsted-Lowry bases are not Arrhenius bases. Here are some examples of conjugate acid and base. You have to write one paragraph for all these equations. I will explain just one. First example is HNO3 plus H2O, reversible reaction H3O positive plus NO3. You can write because two examples, HCl plus H2O and CH3COOH plus H2O, these two examples are discussed in detail, and you have to write one paragraph like this. HNO3 is an acid. How? Because it can donate proton. Base H2O is a base because it has ability to accept proton. H3O positive is a conjugate acid because it is formed by donating a proton. Conjugate acid because it is formed by accepting a proton by a base. And NO3 negative is a conjugate base because it is formed by donating a proton by an acid. When acid donates proton, HNO3 donates one proton, H positive, then NO3 negative forms. This is known as conjugate acid. Here is problem numerical. There are three parts, A, B and C. All are solved here. Just listen what are conjugate bases of each of the following. How you can write the conjugate bases of all these compounds. Simple by the definition. Conjugate base is formed by donating a proton by an acid. These are acids, all are acids. When all these donates protons, then the newly formed substance is known as conjugate base. First example is HS negative. Negative 1 is already present here. When it donates proton, it means one hydrogen. H positive. Then conjugate base is S2 negative. H3O positive. By the donation of one proton, it becomes H2O. Similarly, all others. And how conjugate acid is formed? Conjugate acid is formed by accepting a proton. All are bases here. When you will add one proton in all these, then the newly formed substance is known as conjugate acid. Simple. Just add 1 proton. OH negative plus H positive is known as H is equal to H2O. HCO3 plus H positive, then H2CO3. Similarly, all others. C part, which of the following behaves as a Bronsted acid and Bronsted basis? Here are 5 substances, only 3: H2O, HCO3 negative, and last HS negative behaves both as Bronsted acid and Bronsted basis. Now topic is completed. Allah Hafiz.